Manual testing is time-consuming, repetitive, and prone to human error. As technology advances, companies are rapidly shifting towards automation to improve efficiency and accuracy. In today's job market, automation testing skills are no longer optional. They are in high demand. Businesses are looking for testers who can write scripts, build frameworks, and optimize test execution. If you're still relying only on manual testing, you might be missing out on better career opportunities. The future is automation. Are you ready for it? That's where QA Demystified comes in. We make automation testing simple, practical, and easy to learn. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this channel is your go-to resource. Our goal is to help you stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of QA with expert insights, real-world scenarios, and hands-on tutorials. So, if you want to boost your career, master automation, and stay relevant in the industry, hit that subscribe button now and join our growing community. So, what can you expect from QA Demystified? We cover everything you need to excel in automation testing, from basic to advanced concepts. Hands-on coding tutorials, UI automation with Selenium and Cypress API testing, performance testing, and CI/CD integration, best practices, real-world projects, and industry insights. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced tester, we've got something for you. Get ready to level up your automation skills. Learning automation testing shouldn't be a one-time thing. It's a continuous journey. That's why we bring you informative and practical videos every Friday at 7 p.m. Stay consistent, keep learning, and watch your automation skills grow week by week. Mark your calendar, set a reminder, and join us every Friday for fresh, insightful content.